Hello guys, if you have made mistakes on some parts of your YouTube video, you can split them without uploading the full video. Just remember a few steps. You can easily trim YouTube video in YouTube video editor. Let's get started now. First of all, choose a video that you wanna trim, then click on this pencil tool icon. Go to editor. Now click here on trim. Mark this playhead on the timeline where you want to split the video.
Covers only the element. It can shift or stretches or contract or stretches.
Click here on this split button. We have here the zoom in or zoom out tool. Drag this to cover the area that you want to split. Just adjust here by dragging from the back and both sides.
It can shift or stretch or contract.
Once you feel okay, click on preview.
It can shift or stretch or contract.
If by chance we wrongly trimmed the video, we have here the option to revert to the original. Click here to save the trimming of the video. Now it will take some time to finish up the processing. Here we can see the video is processing. This is the video after processing.
Covers only the element. It can shift or stretch or contract.
We have successfully split the video. That's it. Hope this helps guys. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.